Nurturing friendships, the art of growing together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful journey of learning English. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, nurture a friendship. Understanding this phrase not only enriches our vocabulary but also our lives. So, let's embark on this learning adventure together and discover how nurturing friendships can lead to lasting relationships. Nurture a friendship means to actively care for and encourage the growth of a friendship. Just like plants need water, sunlight, and soil to grow, friendships require time, effort, and love. Nurturing involves being present, listening, and supporting each other through ups and downs. It's about creating a strong, healthy bond that can withstand challenges. Nurturing friendships is crucial because it lays the foundation for strong, enduring relationships. It's the difference between acquaintances and true friends. When we nurture our friendships, we build trust, understanding, and mutual respect. These are the pillars that not only support but elevate our connections with others, making our lives richer and more fulfilling. 1. Communication is key. Regularly check in with your friends. Share your thoughts and listen to theirs. It's important to maintain an open and honest dialogue. 2. Spend quality time together. Whether it's a simple coffee date or a weekend getaway, quality time strengthens bonds. It's about making memories together. 3. Be supportive. Be there for your friends in times of need. Offer your shoulder to lean on, your ears to listen, and your words for comfort. 4. Celebrate achievements. Celebrate the big and small victories in your friends' lives. It shows that you value their happiness and successes as your own. 5. Be patient and forgiving. Understand that no one is perfect. Embrace differences and forgive mistakes. It's about growing together, not apart. Nurturing friendships is a beautiful journey filled with love, laughter, and learning. It requires effort, patience, and a whole lot of heart. But the rewards? They're immeasurable. You gain not just friends, but a family you choose for yourself. We hope this video inspires you to reach out, reconnect, or even strengthen the bonds you have. Remember, in the garden of life, the most beautiful flowers are the friendships we nurture. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next adventure in learning together.